What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Telluride Smart Key Remote Fob. This Kia Telluride key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change our key fob battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to use this emergency key to pry up on the back cover. So one side has a logo, and then the back side does not have a logo. That's the side we're going to be prying up against. So if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, you can kind of see this tab right here. What I'm going to do is get my key, my emergency key, under the tab like that, and then use it to pry up on that back cover. Once you get the cover far enough off, you can pull it off with your hands, and now we can see our battery right here. And again, I'm going to grab my emergency key, and I'm going to use it to kind of get under the edge of the battery and pry it out of that little battery holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new replacement battery with the plus side down, like that. Snap that down into its holder, and then we can put the back on the key fob. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.